Hello everybody, my name is Ben, also known as Scorpio, and welcome back to another unboxing video. So today we're going to be taking a look at the Sadie's wired gaming headset. So just a quick disclaimer, the guys over at Sadie's were kind enough to send me this headset out for an unboxing video, but this by no means is a sponsored video, therefore all thoughts and opinions you hear are my own. So let's get into it. The Sadie's headset is definitely on the budget end of the scale, costing just £21.97 or $22.99 on Amazon, so keep that in mind as we delve into the details. So as we can tell from the packaging, the headset is designed for the PS4 Pro, mobile devices, the Nintendo Switch, PC, VR, Xbox One, and that is all because they use the 3.5mm standard audio jack. Also from the back of the box, they boast convenient controllers on the back, which is a mute button and a volume slider on the back of the headset for easy access, which is a great feature, an adjustable headband as you would expect really from most headsets these days, and skin-friendly earmuffs. So if you just take a look at the packaging as a whole, the outer box was quite nice, but it's a shame to see the bubble wrap inside, but I guess if it works and it's cheap, and you're only spending £21, then what do you expect? However, I have to say, they do redeem themselves with a couple of stickers inside the box, because who doesn't love stickers, let's be honest. As you would expect, the box also includes a standard informative manual which outlines the headset and its features. It also includes handy guides on how to set it up with various platforms. I've personally tested the headset with the PS4, Xbox One, Switch and PC and have encountered no issues with compatibility so far, so all good. Anyway, let's get back to business. The headset does have 50mm speakers, but my expectations weren't high due to the price tag. I'll come back to the audio a little later though. The headset is also extremely lightweight at just over 200 grams, which gives you the impression of cheap materials. However, this does make the headset very comfortable to wear, especially when compared with some of the more expensive headsets on the market. As I mentioned previously, the headset does feature an adjustable headband, which is great, but because the headset is predominantly made from plastic, this does make the headset quite fragile. I have a feeling that the headset could easily snap at these adjustable points if not used with care. In the next section of the video, I'll be talking about the headset microphone, and the whole segment will be recorded with the Sadie's headset. So now I am using the Sadie's headset microphone. Although it's a little quiet, I have to say the audio quality has absolutely blown my mind, especially for the price of the headset. The audio has great clarity and a great amount of bass too. The microphone itself doesn't hold its position very well, which is a shame, but aside from that I'm honestly impressed with this. So I've just listened back to that audio and I can't believe how a £20 headset can produce such clarity. I've tried several headsets in the past and this is genuinely one of the best I've witnessed. The only real downside to the audio is that if you may have noticed that the P sounds are quite harsh without a dedicated pop filter, but this is maybe something they can improve in the future, who knows. As you can see here, also included in the box is a Y-splitter cable, which allows you to use your headset properly with your PC. Also, as I mentioned before, the 3.5mm standard jack which plugs directly into your Switch or Xbox and PS4 controllers. Onto the so-called skin-friendly earmuffs. Again, I was pleasantly surprised with how comfortable these earmuffs were. They're incredibly soft and comfortable to wear for extended periods of time, which is absolutely great. Whilst we're talking about positives, another thing I must mention is the fact that they've used braided cables. So many top-end companies still don't use them, and here they are with a £20 headset. Braided cables are much more resilient than conventional cables. However, it is strange to have a cheap plastic headset combined with a quality braided cable. In terms of audio quality, they are nothing to be amazed about, but they definitely do the job if you're looking for a budget headset. I tested it out with a few shooting games and I can quite easily locate enemies via sound, which is good to know. I also tested the headset with various genres of music, and I have to say this is probably where the headset lacks the most. Don't get me wrong, it's still good, but it's just not incredible. But then again, this headset is a budget headset at just £20, and some of the features it has for that price are incredible. I definitely recommend it if you're looking for a budget headset. That wraps things up for this unboxing video. Thanks so much for watching, and thanks for 5,000 subscribers. See you in the next one. Bye bye.